rolling off turn number 2 now. The number 7 Taz. Tasker from Pleasantville, Iowa. He drives the I-80 Concrete, Morris Automotive, Sinclair Motorsports Pro Diesel, Dildo, Schaefer Oil, 7 Taz. Behind him, making his way down mid straightaway from St. Michael, Minnesota, the Academy Roofing, Carl Chevrolet, Iowa Barnstormers, Phillips Floors, Tony Moore, Auto Body, number 2F. That's Davey Heskin. Alright, missed, rolling into turn number 4 now. From Athens, Illinois, the XK Glow, CHE Precision, Armitage Collision Repair, and TV Express, Lions Community Bank. Number 7A, that's Will Armitage. Davey Heskin 4th, and A.J. Moeller was 5th. Chase Randall, Jake Buback, then Justin Henderson, Terry McCarl, and Ayrton Jeniton round out your top 10 here in Van Wall Equipment Hot Laps here tonight. I want to say a special welcome to all of our fair goers that are here tonight. Of course, tonight is the second night of the Marion County Fair. Of course, last night, the big Sarah Evans concert in the infield, a huge crowd here last night. So we hope some of you that are here tonight is on display from the fair kids. So make sure you check it out. They all work really hard, both on their crafts and on taking care of their animals and all of that kind of stuff. They take a lot of pride in that. So we're excited to have them here this weekend. We were reminiscing earlier, Chris, back when I was much younger, coming here as a fan. I have fond memories of watching Rocky Hodges ride a cow here on fair night. He won the race, and back then they would walk a cow down here and hop on it. He got on the cow and he rode it around. Victory Lane looked much different back then. You actually could, where the Knoxville Raceway tire thing is there, there used to be a path going in there, and it went like kind of right toward Sawyer Phillips's car, and so they would bring it in there, and he rode the cow around. And so anyway,
see, now that's a T-shirt to sell.
50 points back from Brian Brown, the point leader, finds himself now 3rd quickest.